how to remove sold out badge on Shopify. So the first thing that you want to do is access the Shopify dashboard and click on Online Store. After that, find your theme and click the three-dot button. Over here, select Edit Code and the theme files page will open. Then, in the Filter Files section, search for Base CSS and click on it to open the store's appearance script. Next, scroll to the bottom of the script and hit enter to add a new line. Then go to host2b.net, copy the code provided and paste it into the blank line you left earlier in Shopify. After that, look to the top right corner and click Save. Once saved, the sold out badge will no longer appear on sold out product pages. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.